To replace a vertical louver fin on this Frigidaire air conditioner, you will need a flathead screwdriver. With the unit turned off, insert the flathead screwdriver to depress the side of the horizontal louver assembly so you can pull it out. Now use the screwdriver to help release the fin you're replacing from the louver and lever, if still intact. To install the new vertical louver fin, align it on the louver and lever and snap it into place. Realign the side notches in the louver with the mounting posts on the unit and snap the assembly into position. The air conditioner should now be ready for use.